Hello everybody, welcome back to What's Buzzin' at the Bee. Thank you so much for joining us this morning. If you are here in person, or not in person, but live with me here today, we've got some fun things to talk about, so I'll just get into that. First off, we wanted to share with you that we have our Surger event coming up later this week. We do still have some space available, so if you want to be a part of that, definitely give us a call and sign up. We've got some really interesting things to learn during this event. You'll be able to take a look at all of our Bernina Surgers. We've got lots of information to share on these guys, some special deals and all of that good stuff. So if you want to attend, definitely give us a call. We'll give you more information on all of the things that go into this class. So we're very excited about this. Okay, and then going into some fabric here, we thought we would show you this. We're all super excited about this. This here is waxed canvas. So you can see it's kind of got a little bit of distress to it. That is because of the waxed nature of the fabric. So you can see here, I'll pull this one out so you can see a little better. It's on the canvas, and then over that you've got a wax sort of finish to it. So that's why it kind of gets this crinkle effect. Now, if you were to warm this up, say like with a hair dryer, all of these marks would go away and it would get more smooth, kind of like you see here. There's not really a lot of this sort of distressing on it. It would kind of go back to this natural sort of look. And then the more you kind of work with it, the more it gets sort of that cool sort of crinkly look. We're really excited to use this in a lot of bags. We've got a lot of samples that are in the works that we're trying to get started. So one of them, for example, I'm hoping to make this one. We got this pattern in and I'm excited to use the wax canvas for this one. It's the Firefly Tote by Noodlehead. I'm thinking, we can use it for the outside of the bag because it is sort of that waxed canvas. It's a little more durable. You can kind of just wipe stuff right off of it. So it's perfect for bags, but we've got lots of other projects that we're wanting to try out with this beautiful wax canvas. Right now we have these 6 colors. I know we do have a couple other colors on the way, but we've got these ones, which I think are great. Lots of options to try out. Something else that I'm gonna start trying is while we're doing the Facebook Live, I'm gonna try to go on here, and while we're doing the live, I'm gonna look at your guys' comments. So if I see any questions or anything like that, I'm gonna try to answer them during the live if you're here on Wednesday mornings at 9:30. So that way you'll get your answer right away. Say, can I order this bag pattern? Do you have, this fabric in this color, that kind of thing. So I'll be able to sort of interact with you guys, but only during the live, obviously. So if you have any questions, go ahead and just let me know right here and I'll be able to take a look. Okay, so moving on. Next we have our bag of the month for June, and our bag of the month is going to be this guy here. This is the bum bag. It's kind of like their take on a cute little fanny pack. This is our version. So we've got the lovely cotton canvas linen. This one here is the Rifle Paper Company collection that we used here. So because it's got these pops of gold, we added the cool gold metallic zipper and these really neat gold hardware accents. So this one is really cool. I love this one because I love the shape of the bag. It's not super bulky. It's got kind of lays with your body and you can kind of, wear it in the different ways that you want. 2 zipper pockets. It's got a little a little fold here for any cards that you may want to add. We did this beautiful shot cotton on the inside, and it's even got a little secret pocket in the back. So this one is very cool. Love this one. We've got the kit right here available. We also have the pattern available. So that's a really cool little summer bag. And then if that's a little more than you want to kind of do right now, we also have a fun little side kit. This here is the Corky wallet. It's just a cute little wallet made from our beautiful corks. So a fun little easy little project. So that's kind of like just a little cute little kit. Okay, now we're gonna head right over here. If you've seen before, you may know we love our reversible tote here. We love to have kits on hand all the time for these ones. So we have this one, which is also in the Rifle Paper Company cotton canvas. We've got some of that fun metallic on the inside. And so this is our current reversible tote kit that we have, and it's just right here. It's just this little cute little package. Okay, and now we'll head right over here. One of our newest samples we have hanging here in the store is this one right up here. It is using the Tulip Pink Everglow fabric, and it uses this little postcard pattern. It's called 2M. It was a really fun quilt to put together, super easy. It went by pretty quickly. Because I did the Tulip Pink line Everglow, I did fussy cut all of the animals that you see here in the center blocks. Now from the pattern, it's a little different because I wanted to use both the main print and her new stripes and polka dots and the fairy dust that you see here. So I did sort of change the pattern up a little bit. This one has you do the same on the inside as the outside, and I just paired the corresponding color of stripe or dot or fairy dust with the print that I thought would work with it. So for this one, I used the this one in this sort of chartreuse color, and I paired them so it still kind of had a little bit of a flow to the pattern. Right now, we don't have a whole lot of the Everglow fabric left, but we are expecting another shipment this month. It's probably the last one we're gonna get. So if you're interested, if you maybe didn't get it the first time around, or maybe you decide you need more, which is understandable, it's so much fun. Give us a call and we can put your name in the wants book right now so that when it does come in, we'll give you a call and let you know when it comes in. Okay, and I see somebody here, Joanne, hi Joanne, is asking if we have a finished sample of the Catching Stars quilt in the store. I don't believe so. I don't, actually that might be, we have Spinning Stars. I don't believe we have Catching Stars, but I'll check that when we work our way around. Okay. So we're gonna head this way. We've got some fabric down on this side of the store to show you. So we're just gonna kind of work our way through the back here. I'll stop to kind of mention this guy right here. I just kind of planted him here. This is our newest block of the month. It's Zephyr. This is the first block of the month that you would get, the first little kit. So you've got all that lovely fabric in there. So we just started this one. So everyone that was, on our wait list for this one is getting their first block of the months now. But if you decide that it's something that you want to do, we are still accepting new students for, not students, but anybody who wants to start the program. can do that starting now. So it's a really beautiful quilt. Very excited about that one. Okay, and then we'll scooch on over here. A couple weeks ago, we talked about this line right here. This one is Sea Salt. It's by McKenna Ryan. It's got some really cool ombre colors. This one has sort of an ombre tree look, kind of some oceany feel. We just received a couple more bolts in the gorgeous ombres right down here. So I just wanted to show you, we've got a couple more added to that collection. Okay, and then we will move our way down here. Something that I'm going to show you today is we've kind of got more of a specific section for all of our Halloween stuff. So we've moved it right down here. So hopefully we're going to kind of expand this and kind of have all of our Halloween in one section as opposed to kind of having it around the counter like we have before. So now all of our Halloween, we're kind of still working on some of it, but most of our Halloween is going to be right here. So, we've talked about a few of these lines already. We do have another new line that we've brought out. It's called Scaredy Cat by Wyndham. It's this super cute, silly collection here with these fun little kitty cats. Sort of a cute little haunted house. It's very whimsical and youthful. So it's very fun, cute Halloween line. And then the fabric we've got starting right here, going over, we've got some fun little prints that go with it. Little hats, spiders. I like the little cats and the little sheets, like they're little cat ghosts. And then we've got the rest of the line right down here in this box. So super fun, very cute. The little words I could imagine using for lots of different things. And then this one, the free pattern that goes along with this collection from Wyndham is this cute little bat table runner. It's a very cute little project, some fun little applique elements. I believe they used the little stars for the inside and then just the little black blender that goes along with the line. But they give you the templates for the little bats there. And then you just do some appliquing and some trimming, and they just have you do a little zigzag stitch around the edge to hold it all together. So very cute. That one is super fun. So we'll hopefully be adding more of our Halloween over here and maybe kind of expanding it so that all of it's in the same place. Okay, and now we're just gonna head up to the front counter right over here. So I'm just gonna kind of back up around here. Okay, a few fun things to show you. So first off, we do have a sale going on for the Bernina 435. It is a great deal. So if you're interested in maybe buying a new machine or interested in Bernina in general and you're thinking you want maybe another machine, this is a fantastic one, so definitely come check it out. While we've got the machine here, I thought I would show this as well. We just got these ones in. This is the Sew Straight ruler from Quilt in a Day. This one is super nice if you're looking for something to help you keep that 1/4 inch seam all the time. So once you take it out of the package, you're gonna place it right here just at the base of right in front of those feed dogs and that needle. And it helps you just kind of, whether you're doing say half square triangles or flying geese, you've got these nice lines here to keep everything straight. Or maybe if you just want to make sure that you're keeping that 1/4 inch seam all the time. This is great for that. Great if you're maybe just starting and you kind of are still working on getting that 1/4 inch seam just right, because it'll come naturally over time, but this is great just to keep it in check all the time. Okay, next here we have these beautiful Dresden tree skirt kits. We've got it in 2 colors, so the more traditional Christmassy colors in the red and green. Got some little pops of gold in there as well. So those beautiful metallic gold prints mixed in there. And then also we have it in these wonderful white, cream, and green with also the pop of gold metallic. Beautiful, beautiful fabrics. So 2 versions of this kit, and in the end you end up with this gorgeous tree skirt. So we're very excited to see those made up. It's gonna be just so beautiful. So very excited about those ones. I always like to show off a new pattern or book. So today I'm going to show off the Just 2 Charm Pack Quilts book. I looked through this one and I just thought all of the patterns look fantastic. You've got some modern ones in there, some more traditional ones, just some really great patterns. And you know, when you're working with charm packs, it's always nice because then you don't have to do as much cutting, so they go together even faster, and you kind of have all of the fabric you need in those 2 charm packs. So this one is very exciting. I'm debating I might swoop this one up for myself actually because it's really nice. So that's book of the week, I guess. Okay, next here, we're very excited. Anybody who came to our boutique event a couple weeks ago knows that we had this quilt on display, and so we decided to do some kits. We do have the sample still here, so you can see kind of what it looks like made up and finished. It's this one just right over here. It is just a really stunning quilt to look at. Love the pattern, love the use of batiks. So we have put together our own kit. So the fabrics are going to be a little different, but we tried to sort of get the same effect when choosing the colors of the batik. But it is still batik and in these color tones. So that is all in this one kit that you see here. It's all together and you get the pattern. So we're very excited about this. So I would definitely recommend coming in. We did get this sample from Hoffman, so it will be going back to them soon. So I recommend coming in and taking a look at it because it really is just a beautiful quilt. Okay, well, let me just make sure we don't have any other questions here. Looks good. Okay, well, thank you everyone so much for joining us today. We love doing these videos. We love showing you all of the new stuff in the store. Let us know in the comments what your favorite thing of the day was. We love to hear kind of what y'all are into, so that would be awesome. Don't forget about our Serger event later this week. Give us a call. You can always ask questions if you're not quite sure, you know, what to expect and you want to know more about it. You can give us a call and we'll definitely give you a little rundown. But we're very excited about that event, so definitely come if you can. We would love to have you. So thank you everyone for joining us, and we will of course be back next week, next Wednesday at 9:30 for another Buzzin' at the Bee.